Welcome back. Today we're going to be walking around a 1949 Chevrolet 5-window 3100 pickup truck. This one's got a fuel-injected V6 motor under the hood. Also has overdrive transmission, power steering, vintage air conditioning, aluminum radiator, electric fans. There's 4-wheel disc brakes on this one as well. Got a set of wheels on here. It's 20s in the back and 18s in the front. They're staggered. They've relocated the gas tank on this one to the bed. And they've gave it the patina paint job. It's a pretty cool truck. This is one of the personal trucks for Maple Motors. One of the personal owners here brought it on up and decided to sell it. If you're new to the channel, check out maplemotors.com. We have financing and shipping available. We also have 100 detailed pictures of every ride, and all of our information is right there on the website. If you have questions, we have answers, and they're there ready for you to read and check out. Let's get started here. We're going to be looking for flaws. That's what we do in all these videos. We also do test drives, so check out that. We stopped in this parking lot just to do the walk around. This one has the patina. It's supposed to look like this. It was the look they were going for. But we're gonna be looking for any kind of holes, dents. There's some spots up here in the front. A little wrinkly on the paint job there. Coming down the side, edge here. It's got a little spot in it. And down some more. See the bottom of the door, it's got a little dent. Some old crusty paint. Doesn't really look like it's rusted out or anything. The bottom of the door actually looked pretty good. There was a lot of surface rust. You can look at the bottom of the hood here and tell there was a little dent right there. Coming on down this way, the lower portion, not bad, still solid, nice and solid there. Checking the cab corners, they're good. You got a little bit of bubbling popping up here with the paint. Right here in the corner, you got a little rust. Coming up over this fender here. Looks pretty good. Also got some paint chipping off there. I mean, when I say it looks good, it's nice and smooth. It's not full of rust. It's got a few little spots here and there. But this is a solid truck. Looking at the back, a lot of chipping on the paint. I mean, the paint's pretty much just gone on this truck. Looking for stuff like this. There's a little dent there. Small little hole there. That was meant to be there though. Checking back over some stuff here. Coming around the back. Doesn't look bad at all. Upgraded the lights. Bed here's got a little bit of a curve to it. The wood slats in there. We've customized these fenders. Coming around on this side, same thing, running down the lower portion. Down here at the bottom of this fender, you got a crack in the paint in the metal. Coming down the lower portion here, pretty solid. There's a little spot right here in the fender. It's nice and smooth over here. Side of the hood on this side looks solid. Okay. Coming on back through the top here. No, I haven't seen a whole lot of dents or anything really major other than a little bit of sanding. I've seen a few small dents and a couple little holes on some of the fenders. That's a pretty good truck right there. I like the way it drives. Definitely check out the test drive. It's nice and smooth. AC's blowing. I know it's reliable. He's been driving it for a while. This is my uncle's truck, and it's definitely different styling. Let's check out the inside. Door here on this one's got a little bit of slack in it, but a lot of these older ones do. Oh, I've got it locked. There we go. Checking this door out. Weather stripping looks pretty good all the way around. Looking at the inside of the door, a lot of surface rust on this one. You got a little bit there, it's been taken away, but that's a solid piece hanging onto the door. Oh, got the stank bug. Checking around the edge here. Oh, it's glue. Not too bad. Look at the seat. Seat's in great shape. Looks pretty good. They got the headliner in here. Spiced it up a little bit. Looks nice. He's put the armrest. Aftermarket steering wheel. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works? I say aftermarket. Look what it says on the center. Genuine Chevrolet. Got vintage air, digital radio, Dolphin gauges, chrome column, tilt shift. Tilt column. Column shift. AC, fuel injection, it's already blowing cold, stereo system, you got to give it a second to cut on. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? We're going to do that here in a second. Windshield wipers are not working, radio, USB jamming. Show you the mileage. And all the gauges are coming up and working. And the horn. That's pretty good. Carpet in this one's decent. Needs to vacuum it. Door's a little bit loose there. Tighten it up. I think something's vibrating right here. Something's rubbing up against something in there, just making it vibrate. I'll have to loosen it, separate it so it doesn't make that noise. The motor's nice and quiet. I think the noise actually goes away. There it is. There it is. The noise does go away when you shut the hood. Or I guess when you put your hand on it. Sorry about that. Motor's really quiet. Let's shut the hood down. Well, let me give her a Chevrolet shut. There it is. Edge of the hood here has a little bit of a curve in it. Pitting all over the emblem. Hood itself is in good shape. It's got pitting on this too. That's the style they're going for on this, by the way. There we go. How about an old school patina truck with a reliable Vortec? Cold AC, lowered on a set of wheels, four-wheel disc brake, and lots of chrome and upgrades. It's pretty cool. I like this one. Let's look under it and check out the detailed photos. Check out the test drive video. Start in the back here. Coming around the side. This thing's pretty low. Look at that. Nice and shiny and clean. I didn't expect that, did you? Okay, like I said, watch that test drive video, check it out. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Also, please share this video and hit like. That helps me out more than you know. I'll keep these videos coming toward you. Next week, Rod Run weekend. Check our website, it'll let you know when we're open. But I know we're closing Thursday through Sunday, and I'll be back, not this Monday, but next Monday, with a list of cars and a whole bunch of videos for you. I do appreciate y'all watching. Of course, I told you at the beginning, maplemotors.com is the place you need to go check out. What you're watching right now, you're on YouTube. That's not our main website. It's maplemotors.com. It has financing, shipping, detailed pictures, questions and answers section. All of our inventory that's available with pricing and descriptions. We try our best to get you helped out. If you see something you like, give us a call. We're all family, so you can talk to anybody here. I'm going back to the lot, and I'm going to finish this test drive. You can find that about the last 30 seconds of this video. See you later, guys.